Women entrepreneurs in the online space. That's the topic for today. All you awesome women out there, if you want to make it big in the online space, which is very possible and it is the futuristic business model today, becoming an online entrepreneur. If you really want to make it big and get quick success, watch this video till the end. I will show you step by step how you can achieve this. It is possible, women. Welcome back, all you awesome women out there. Today I am dedicating this to the women entrepreneurs. So, many women have already entered into the online entrepreneurship. However, for those who have entered it but you don't know how to proceed further, or you feel you're stuck somewhere, or for those who want to enter into the online business, because that's the online business is the order of the day. You know how we are struggling today with lockdowns, the pandemic, the closure of shops and establishments everywhere. So online business is the way to go. That's the right way to, it's a futuristic industry, and there is ample opportunity in the online space. If you are one of those women who say, hey, I don't know how to do it, or hey, I don't have any skills, or I'm not bold enough to do this, or I don't know how to go about this. For all those things, I will address those issues in this video, and also you can attend my future webinars, free webinars, where I will tell you step by step how to launch your business and generate fantastic income on a monthly basis. People generate 5 lakh to 15 lakhs per month sitting at home. It is possible. Women, it's possible. What you need to do? Well, some of you may ask, how much do I have to invest? Can I start this business without putting any money? Can I launch my business without investing any money? Yes, of course, it is possible to launch your business within a short span of time without any investment. You can scale it up with small investments later on, but to launch your business and start your business, you can start without any money, with no investment at all. Okay? Only when you get to the level of having your own website, having your own domain, registering your domain, at that point in time you may probably have to start investing, that too not much, in a very small scale. It's a very meager amount as compared to a normal shop. If you open a shop or a beauty parlor or any kind of a holistic center, you have to invest quite a bit for your contract with the owner, for hiring the place, for hiring people to run the business, all your running cost of the business, the electricity, and whatever it may be, the products. Let's say if you are running a yoga institute, your yoga mats, your lightings, and lot of other things. But in an online space, since you will be teaching, let's say you have a product based, so you can do two types of business. One is the product based business, which you can launch in the online space. If you don't have any products, if your business is service oriented and it's based on a knowledge based business that you're going to do, then in both cases, even if it's product or if it's a service based, your investment in an online space is very, very less, because all you need is a computer or a laptop, or if you don't have both, just your mobile would do. You just put your mobile with the headset on and start recording, start showcasing your product, show your products in the video, talk about it. If you just know how to present yourself and your product and your business, and if you know how to relate with your audience, with your customers, and market your product through your videos, through your blogs, through your posts, through your podcasts, through your videos. And you just have to do this consistently, and that's it. You're slowly building your prospects. The people will start watching your videos, people will start watching your websites later on, people will start watching your blogs, people will start listening to your podcasts, and the marketing is done. It's organic marketing. You can get a small community of prospects and customers through your organic propaganda or marketing. But if you want to scale it up into a large scale later on, which is later on, phase 2, phase 3, then at that point in time you can look at YouTube advertisements, the Facebook ads, and all the paid ads can bring a large amount of people later on at a point when you are trying to scale up your business. Okay, initially you don't have to worry about all this. Women especially today, when I look at many of you, you can be somebody's daughter, you can be somebody's wife, you could be a single woman who's trying to make her presence felt. You could be a person who has just gone through her divorce, or you have separated from your spouse and you are trying to now figure out what to do with your life. Some women I know, they have their children and they have to take care of them when they have separated. All you women, whether you're supporting your home, your parents, you're trying to run your house for your kids, you're single, you're married, you could be anyone. Women are so good today in multitasking. They can do multiple things at the same time. They're quite capable in doing all this. They get stuck as compared to men. Women usually get stuck as to, can I do this? Am I capable of doing this? Do I have the knowledge to do this? Will I be able to successfully run my business? Women have all these apprehensions. Let me tell you, women are so good in managing a business. They are so good in multitasking. They are so good in planning their budgets. You just have to start and you'll know how to do it. People like me who are online coach, we are here to support you women to actually launch your business and take it to the next level by doing a lot of hard work initially. Even if you don't want to invest, without any investment, all you need to put in is consistent work, unstoppable work, little bit of hard work, and then you can get going. And once your presence is made in the online world, you will see that people will start buying your products, people will start buying your services, people will start attending your webinars, your courses, and your income will start coming in consistently. And you can start making, let's say, starting from 1 lakh, and then you can scale it up to 2 lakhs and 5 lakhs and so on and on and on. This is possible, women, this is possible. But for that, you need to put hard work, little bit, have the boldness to do it, do the business, and have a clear business plan and a strategy, which if you don't know, people like us can teach you. Not to worry, there are many people, not just me, there are many people in the online world today who can teach how to do this. Me especially, I enjoy, and it is my passion to bring out more and more and more women entrepreneurs, because the more I teach them, the more women I have helped in launching their online business. I've realized that women are far, far, far more intelligent than they think they are. So it's only about you making up your mind about doing this business. If you have made up your mind to do this business, then it's all about finding which is the area of your passion, what skills you probably could have. If you don't have, you don't have to worry about that too. If you don't know how to manage the online space, you don't know anything about the social media platform, nothing to worry. All that can be learnt just by attending 1 hour course, 2 hours course. You can learn it all. It's nothing. Especially most women I know, they are in the WhatsApp world already. They are WhatsApping they're with their friends, they are messaging their friends, they are in the Facebook, they already have their profile. So you women already know some of the platforms. It's just a matter of learning some more platforms and just learning how to make your YouTube videos, how to do your creative work through Canva. There are so many tools and softwares which we can teach. In my future videos, I'm going to bring out and list down many of the tools and softwares that you can use for your business to launch your business within a week or within 15 days time and make your presence felt in all the social media platforms, and soon start generating income just sitting at home. And let me tell you, once you taste the income coming in and it starts pouring in, once you get the taste of it, you will be so motivated to bring out the better and better and better version of yourself. You will strive for it. When you start seeing the money coming in, you will strive for bringing out a better version of you, making your business become better, automating it, getting more teammates, getting better tools and softwares to make your business smoother. There are several ways in which you can make your business better and scale up your business. It is endless to what you can do with your business. It is unimaginable as to how many people you can touch upon in your online space. All you need to do is come out of all the apprehensions that I cannot do it, I'm not capable of it, or I don't know anything. Just come out of all these things. Every woman starts with this apprehensions, and once you start putting your hard work, within no time you will master it, and you'll realize that it is so simple. Anybody can do this and generate income just sitting at home. Just dedicate a few hours, that's it. And so this is what I wanted to tell all you women, that if you have a mindset problem, I have uploaded a video on mindset, how you can develop a better mindset to become an online entrepreneur, and also how you can train your subconscious mind and train it to become very positive, very optimistic. And you can train your subconscious mind while going to sleep and throughout the day. You can train your subconscious mind to bring out the better and better and better version of yourself. Watch my video on the subconscious, how to train your subconscious mind, where I have given in detail how you can do it. As far as launching your online business is concerned, you can watch my next webinar. You can watch it if you want, you can watch it through by visiting my website redesignyourlifehub.com, which is shown here, and register. Click on the register button that will take you to the next webinar date. Submit all your details over there and you will be able to see me in my next webinar if you want to learn how to do it step by step within no time without investing any money. And these webinars are free. I don't charge anything. Just attend the webinar so that you can educate yourself. Educating yourself is the investment that you do in the online entrepreneurship. You have to learn more and more initially so that you can get going faster, at a faster pace. So this is all I want to tell all you women in the online space who are watching this video, that if you want to start your online entrepreneurship, no matter you have a product or don't have a product, you can do that within no time. All you need to have is a clear mind to start it. Just a simple step, a simple decision that yes, I am going to do this is enough. Once you have taken that decision, things will start falling in place. There is a saying that when you start seeking something, when you start searching for something, the answer appears in front of you automatically. So have that yearning, have that searching and inquiring mind, and have a clear decision that you want to start something in the online space, and the answers will start appearing, the coach will start appearing, the trainer will start appearing, all of a sudden from nowhere everything will start happening. So it is just a matter of taking one decision that can lead you from a debt-ridden world, from a financial trap, to a complete financial freedom in a short span of time. It's possible. Many women have achieved it, so can you. So this is all for today. So I will bring in more and more videos on these topics in future. So if you like this video, and if you think this added value to you, and if you think this has made you to take certain decision, if this has added value to your life, to your idea, to your thought process, then you can like my video and subscribe for my video, and I'll bring more and more videos for you. Thank you for today, and this is Prabha signing off for today. Hoping to see you all in my future webinars, because I dedicate most of my webinars to the women.